Python programmer job role, practical experience guidelines and AI contribution. Are you passionate about solving complex problems and bringing creative solutions to life through code? The role of a Python programmer offers you the opportunity to dive deep into developing software that powers everything from web platforms to cutting-edge AI solutions. In this role, you'll collaborate with dynamic teams, stay ahead with the latest tech trends, also make an impact in industries worldwide, whether you're automating workflows, building data pipelines, or developing AI models. Python programming will be your gateway to innovation. Your career starts here. Are you ready to code your future? Job description. A Python programmer designs, implements and maintains efficient, reusable also reliable Python code. They work on developing software solutions, including web applications, data pipelines, automation scripts as well as machine learning models. The role often involves collaboration with cross-functional teams to ensure seamless software integration and deployment. Python programmers are critical in fields such as AI, data science, web development along with cloud computing. Industry profile. Python programmers are in demand across a range of industries, including technology, software development companies, SaaS providers, finance, banks and fintech companies for algorithmic trading, risk management tools, healthcare, bioinformatics also medical imaging systems, retail and e-commerce, inventory management as well as recommendation systems, education, building e-learning tools including platforms. The rise of artificial intelligence, data analytics and automation has further accelerated the need for Python. Key responsibilities. Software development. Design and maintain backend systems, web services also APIs. Data analytics. Develop as well as maintain data pipelines including analytics solutions. Machine learning implementation. Build models using libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch or scikit-learn. Automation. Develop scripts for workflow automation, reducing manual tasks. Testing and debugging. Write unit tests and debug to ensure code reliability. Collaboration. Work with cross-functional teams using agile methodologies. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive technical documentation. At a glance. Your interest. Passion for problem solving, coding, and continuous learning. Entry qualification. Bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or equivalent experience. Lifestyle. Requires a mix of office work also remote collaboration, flexible hours are common in tech industries. Location. Opportunities are available globally, with a focus on tech hubs, e.g., Silicon Valley, Bangalore, London. The realities. Requires constant upskilling due to the evolving nature of technology. Soft Skills Guide. Ability to collaborate effectively with team members from various technical backgrounds. Strong analytical and logical problem-solving skills. Excellent time management to handle multiple projects and deadlines. Adaptability to learn new tools, frameworks as well as technologies quickly. Clear communication skills to translate technical concepts for non-technical stakeholders. Career path. Trainee. Begin your career with internships or trainee roles focused on learning programming basics. Junior developer. Work on small projects under supervision to build core coding skills. Mid-level developer. Manage entire modules and participate in the software development lifecycle. Senior developer. Lead development projects, mentor junior developers also ensure code quality. Team lead/technical architect. Design software systems, oversee development strategies. AI or ML engineer or data scientist. Specialize in advanced machine learning models using Python. CTO/consultant. Provide strategic guidance and manage technology solutions for businesses. Related careers. Software engineer. Designs, develops and maintains software applications. Data analyst. Uses Python for data analysis, visualization, also reporting. Machine learning engineer. Focuses on building as well as deploying AI models. Automation engineer. Automates repetitive tasks including processes using Python scripts. Cloud developer. Builds and maintains cloud-based solutions using Python in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Practical experience for Python programmer and how to learn it using the latest technology. Web development using Django or Flask. Experience. Develop full-stack web applications with Python using frameworks like Django or Flask. How to learn. Courses. Enroll in Udemy, Coursera, or FreeCodeCamp Python web development courses. Hands-on practice. Build a blog or e-commerce site using Django or Flask. Tools. Use Visual Studio Code, GitHub, and Postman for testing APIs. Data analysis and visualization. Experience. Work with libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn to analyze datasets, also generate insights. How to learn. Courses. Try DataCamp or Kaggle for hands-on tutorials as well as challenges. Practice. Download datasets from Kaggle including applied data cleaning techniques. Tools. Jupyter Notebooks along with Google Colab for experimentation. Machine learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Experience. Develop and train machine learning models using popular frameworks. How to learn. Courses. Google's TensorFlow certification program or Coursera's AI courses. Projects. Build models for classification, regression, or natural language processing, NLP. Tools. Use Google Colab for free GPU support. Automation and scripting. Experience. Automate repetitive tasks using Python scripts. How to learn. Courses. Learn Python automation with online tutorials like Automate the Boring Stuff. Practice. Create automation tools like file organizers or web scrapers. Tools. Selenium for web scraping, PyAutoGUI for GUI automation. Cloud integration with AWS or Azure. Experience. Develop cloud-based applications and automation using Python. How to learn. Courses. AWS or Azure Cloud certification programs. Projects. Set up serverless functions using AWS Lambda or Azure Functions. Tools. Use AWS CLI and Boto 3 for cloud integration. Working with APIs, REST and GraphQL. Experience. Integrate third-party APIs into Python applications. How to learn. Courses. Find API-related courses on Udemy or YouTube. Practice. Work with APIs like Twitter, OpenWeatherMap, or Stripe. Tools. Use Postman to test API endpoints. Version control using Git and GitHub. Experience. Collaborate on projects using version control systems. How to learn. Courses. Explore GitHub's own tutorial series or use FreeCodeCamp. Practice. Contribute to open source projects. Tools. GitHub Desktop and Visual Studio Code integration. Testing and debugging using PyTest. Experience. Write unit and integration tests to ensure code reliability. How to learn. Courses. Look for courses on automated testing in Python on Pluralsight or Udemy. Practice. Create a project, also add PyTest unit tests. Tools. Use PyTest, Unitest, as well as Coverage, PY for measuring test coverage. Database management with SQL Alchemy. Experience. Interact with databases from Python applications using SQL Alchemy ORM. How to learn. Courses. Enroll in SQL or database management courses. Practice. Develop a small CRUD, create, read, update, delete, application. Tools. Use SQLite and PostgreSQL for backend databases. Developing chatbots with NLP libraries. Experience. Build intelligent chatbots using NLP frameworks. How to learn. Courses. Join NLP-focused courses like those on edX or DataCamp. Projects. Create a simple chatbot for personal or business use. Tools. Use NLTK, Spacey, and Dialogflow for chatbot development. These practical experiences will provide a comprehensive skill set for Python programmers. Start with the areas that align with your interests, and gradually build projects to apply your learning in real-world scenarios. 8. A contribution to autonomous transformation for Python programmer job role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.